We have been fortunate to partner with the PermitFlow team since the seed, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about where it all began, how it's going, and where they're headed.
So permitting historically, very manual, very pen and paper. We saw the opportunity to, in a scalable way, transform how this is done across the country, create a much better way of executing on permitting at scale, like in a pretty national way. Also, having the opportunity to create a large positive impact across construction.
What I think is so exciting about PermitFlow today, especially with the advancements in AI, there is a huge market that is left to be untapped. And AI can bring so much capabilities in terms of augmenting, improving workflows, helping humans to do more work than was previously possible.
This is hard work, right? We are day-to-day, fully invested in this mission. And what gives me energy is just seeing our customers see the magic. How easy, seamless, transparent it is relative to the kind of manual processes they dealt with in the past, to when they get their permit and they are just astonished by how fast it happens.
The team that we've been able to put together is really best suited for delivering on the vision that we've been articulating to really be that pre-construction platform.
Everyone is here and for the right reason is super motivated about the work and making sure that the company is going to be successful. Because it's such an engineering-driven culture, engineers get to flex all of the muscles they have, not just technical ones. So we get to think about what product we should be building, how it should look, how it should feel, what we should focus on, what we should prioritize, how we're going to measure success. There's so many different facets that make up a really great engineer, and I think this is a place where you can flex those muscles and learn from really talented people around you.
It's exciting to see how fast the company's growing and the impact that we're having on the industry.
I think I got one of the best professional compliments I've ever gotten from one of our customers, where the COO of our largest customer told us he's never been a part of a relationship with a vendor like this before.
You all are on an incredible trajectory. Since we invested in the seed in 2022, just 3 years later, you all have raised a large Series B, you've grown the team, the business is booming. Tell us a little bit more about why this is such a unique moment to be part of the PermitFlow team.
So what I love about the moment we're in right now is we have a fantastic platform, incredible customers, that is a great foundation for what we want to do next, which is really scale out, be that full platform, be that transformational AI workforce for construction. It's the very beginning of what we want to build together.